Hey there, fellow apartment investors. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for boosting your property value and keeping your tenants happy: proactive maintenance. Trust me, a little forethought goes a long way. So, let's brainstorm the benefits and nail down some key areas for implementation. Ready? Let's go. First up, tenant retention and satisfaction. Imagine this. Your tenant's AC breaks in the middle of summer. They report it, but maintenance is slow. Frustration builds, and next thing you know, they're looking to move. Now flip the script. With proactive maintenance, that AC gets regular checkups, reducing the chance of a midsummer breakdown. Happy tenant, renewed lease, and lower turnover costs. See the difference? Next, cost savings. Think about it. Would you rather spend a little now to inspect pipes for leaks, or a lot later on emergency plumbing repairs? Proactive maintenance helps you catch small issues before they become big, expensive problems. It's like the saying goes, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And of course, improved market value. Well-maintained properties attract high-quality tenants and command higher rents. Routine care boosts curb appeal, making your property more desirable. Simple as that. Alright, let's zero in on some key areas for proactive maintenance. First, HVAC systems. Regular servicing prevents breakdowns, reduces energy costs, and extends the system's life. Plan for filter changes, cleaning, and seasonal tune-ups. Second, plumbing systems. Inspect plumbing lines, water heaters, and common area fixtures periodically. Catching small leaks early avoids water damage and major overhauls. Third, roofing and exterior. Schedule annual roof inspections to spot minor damage like missing shingles or small leaks. Maintaining the roof prevents water intrusion and extends its lifespan. And lastly, common area lighting and safety systems. Regularly check and replace lighting in hallways, stairwells, and entrances to maintain security and visibility. Inspect safety systems to ensure compliance and tenant safety. Now, how do you develop a preventive maintenance plan? Start with a maintenance calendar. Establish a monthly, quarterly, or annual schedule for key systems. For example, monthly, inspect common area lighting, clean gutters, check for visible leaks. Quarterly, check HVAC filters, inspect smoke detectors, review landscaping. Annually, schedule HVAC servicing, inspect the roof, clean the exterior. Prioritize based on seasonality. Schedule HVAC servicing in spring and fall to ensure it's functioning optimally before extreme temperatures. Adjust based on feedback and results. Review maintenance records to see which systems need more frequent servicing or adjustments. Track expenses and results. Use property management software or a spreadsheet to monitor maintenance costs, track tasks, and identify budget deviations. Budget for preventive maintenance. Allocate a portion of rental income to a maintenance fund for routine and emergency repairs. A couple of additional tips. Document maintenance procedures. Keep a log of tasks like HVAC servicing dates, roofing inspections, and repairs. This helps track property history and ensures consistency. Hire qualified vendors. Build relationships with reliable contractors for quality work and timely responses. Regularly update the maintenance plan based on property needs, tenant feedback, and system performance. In summary, proactive maintenance planning is key to effective property management. It helps preserve property value, maximize tenant satisfaction, and reduce long-term expenses. By identifying key areas for preventive maintenance, establishing a schedule, and tracking results, you create a structured approach that extends asset life and minimizes costly repairs. Protect your investment and support sustainable long-term property performance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.